Welcome to another episode of Tech Bites, where we dig deep into the fundamentals of technology and programming to uncover insights that can help you level up your skills. I'm your host, and today we're taking a breakdown of a fascinating method of building views in JavaScript, one that's refreshingly direct and avoids the complexities that come with popular frameworks. It's called writing JavaScript views the hard way. Now, before you roll your eyes at the word hard, let me clarify. This isn't just about writing difficult code for the sake of it. Instead, it's about embracing simplicity and performance while steering clear of what some might call spaghetti code that often accompanies high-level frameworks like React or Vue. This technique advocates writing with no abstractions in the most direct way possible, and stick around because it's about to get interesting. So, what are some advantages of this hard way of doing things? One key advantage is performance. By utilizing direct imperative code, you're not bogged down by unnecessary operations. This means your views can run almost as fast as possible. Super important when you're trying to create a seamless user experience. And here's the kicker. Did you know that this method has zero dependencies? That's right. This means you won't find your projects breaking mid-development due to version upgrades. Think of the last time you had to spend an entire day dealing with a library's breaking change. Frustrating, right? Another cool aspect is portability. Code created this way can be shared across various frameworks, which is especially handy for developers itching to contribute to multiple communities. And it's not just for small components. The recommendation here is to utilize this in full applications as well. But you might be thinking, isn't imperative code notoriously hard to maintain? Well, here's the twist. Views using this technique are built with strict conventions that actually make them highly maintainable. You'll be following a props down, events up model, making data flow much more straightforward. Curious about compatibility? Code written in this manner is supported by all browsers, including older versions like IE6 if you ever find yourself in that nostalgic quagmire. It's all about ensuring your code works everywhere. Now let's discuss the structure of a view you'd write using this method. Picture it as a simple Hello World application. At its core, you have a template, like so. JavaScript const template document.createElement template template.innerHTML equals div hello span iname world span div. Don't worry, I won't dive deep into code here. Just keep in mind that this template sets the stage for updating the DOM later, using IDs or class names to target elements. Following this template, you'll have a function that handles creating a clone of it, which provides you with a blank slate to personalize. One aspect that stands out is how you handle the state and DOM updates separately. You'll have functions solely for DOM mutations and others for changing state. This organization leads to very manageable code compared to traditional imperative programming, where everything kind of gets tangled up. Now you might ask, how does this differ fundamentally from, say, React? Well, in React, when you want to update a component, you're typically redeclaring its state and running a render function. Here, you're actually using direct functions to manage changes, which leads to clarity in the flow of data and behavior. As a side note, the method really focuses on keeping everything functional. You avoid unnecessary side effects and closures, creating a cleaner programming environment. So picture this. You initiate your view with a simple function that handles rendering a message. It sets up the DOM, defines state variables, and ties everything together with a clear structure, making debugging a